we can actually have based on our AI chat, we can actually have it create calculations while on a discovery. So let me show you that real quick. And this is, a little bit different than going in and creating a formulate or formula or a calculated column or whatever it might be, right, for that field. In this case, we're just going to be pulling, the measures right directly from the table and then asking it to create that calculation. So give me just a moment, and I will load the example up. So really, I guess we don't need AO paid. Let's just use expense. Let's stay consistent to the formula that we had before. And then expense reserve. Then we have, excuse me, loss paid and loss reserve. Right, and you can do a quick calc this way, right, and have it do a sum. This is just a right click, right, and I'm using the query operations specifically and going in and doing a sum, this way. That's one approach, of course, in order to get what you're looking for. The other thing, of course, that you can do is you can have the bot from here do that calculation. Let's see. Expense paid. Expense reserve change. Oh, and I do have the prompt over here. I probably can just do that. Anyways, you can see how to navigate. It's not too hard at all. The solution is coming right now. All right, and then we should actually see where the, formulate the actual field, right, is being calculated and created for us. And then I think it will even throw it on the report. So we'll see. You saw how to do that, of course, with the right click. Here's an idea. Add a filter to show only data from the last quarter. Okay, so it's wanting me to put in the evaluation period, which is fine. See if I can. Let me remove that. Okay. All right. So, again, this recommendation is something that's being done by the AI itself, put it in that evaluation mode. You can just take off the filter, right? We don't actually need it. I understand the suggestion, and it does seem useful to me, right? I don't want to, suggest that the chatbot, it isn't correct in wanting to put a filter there. Because yes, typically you wouldn't want inception to date data. Typically you would want to be looking at a specific point in time reference, right? So that's why, again, it's adding the idea and then adding it in automatically. In this case, I just took it off so that we could actually see it because of the way that it was putting it in. It was, essentially setting it to blank, right? And it's not working properly. So with that, I just removed it, and then you can see how the sum, right, the actual field itself was created. We do see the values, coming through. Yeah, and it looks like it was successful. Now you can change the name, right? Now, that'd be something you go in here, right, and you can go into properties and then update it. In this case, you might make it total gross incurred AI V2.